This is the day of reckoning. It's actually a beautiful day because we can now take and mow our lawn for the first time. But we just can't rush out and do it right after we do our sod installation. What we need to do is to be certain that the sod is actually attached to the ground. And it's a super scientific way of testing this. The first thing you have to do is to kneel over. Then you take your bare hands, you grab on, and you give it a tug. If it doesn't pull up, chances are it's ready to mow. You see, these lawnmowers right here have a sucking action, and this sucking action will end up picking it all up and whopping it up and making compost out of it if the sod is not attached to the ground. So this right here is absolutely perfect. Now you can tell the cut that he has is super clean. It's just a beautiful cut on there. It's because that lawnmower blade is nice and sharp. And you know how I am about sharp things. What we want to do is we have to have it super sharp. Have somebody sharpen it for you if you don't know how to do it. You can take it on to your local lawnmower shop. They'll do it. It doesn't cost very much. Or, you know what? Stimulate the economy a little bit because you're going to be mowing this for a very long period of time. So you might as well have a brand new blade. And if you can't replace the blade yourself, once again, you get the professionals to do it. Then what you do is to make sure that you have it set on a little bit of a taller of a setting because you don't want to do any kind of scalping. And then as you're mowing along, what'll happen is that you're going to want to make sure that you overlap your deck a little bit, because if you overlap the deck, you know that you're going to get the right cut and it's just going to be beautiful. And look at these lines. You will be the envy of the neighborhood with your brand new sod lawn.